It's not an airplane. Thunder. Are you kidding me? I just made a video from that field over there 2 hours ago. Now we got rain, thunder. Imagine there'll be some lightning here before too long. So I thought I would just sit out here and soak it in. I love it when Mother Nature's angry. Just sitting on the porch, enjoying the view. What do you think about that grapevine, peeps? Can you see my little grape, what do they call them, bushels? I don't even know. I'm not a grape kind of eating. We're gonna get some lightning. Oh, now there's a shot, huh? The grape bush, or grapevine, I keep calling it a bush, and the flag, and the clouds. Oh, breathtaking. Absolutely breathtaking. You know what? It's not raining that hard, a little bit, but I can get out here in it. And I gotta get you guys to see my grapes. Where are you at? You're all kind of tucked in there. There was a spot? Oh, look. They're all hanging down low. Look at them all. Holy shitus. I might have to pick these up, keep the critters from getting in there. And there's a whole bunch of bird nests in here, but look at them all. Look at them all. They're everywhere. Little bushels of grapes, huh? All up in there. How cool. And like I said, there's a whole bunch of bird nests in there. Love my life as I get rained on. It's 74 degrees out here. How much for the doggy in the window? Oh,